To marinate tofu, first we're going to start off by pressing it. So take your block of hard tofu and place it into a pan. And here I've got 2 baking pans. You can use sheet pans or regular pans as well. I'm next going to put this pan on top of it here, so it's going to create a little bit of a press. And now to get a little bit of weight going, I'm going to use 2 cans here. We're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for 12 hours to get out any extra moisture. It's been 12 hours. Now I'm going to remove this pan, and I'll see that my tofu has gotten a little bit smaller and I've got a little bit of moisture in the pan. So from there, I'm going to take my tofu and I'm going to put it in this marinade that I've already made. And from here, I'm going to let it marinate for about 3 hours. The longer the better. Tofu is really great because it'll soak up all of the marinating liquid. And that is how you marinate tofu.